If you're thinking about using real estate for long-term retirement savings, you're likely already aware of how important it is to secure your financial future, especially as you get older. But what if there's a way to use real estate not just as a place to live, but as a tool for building lasting wealth? Stick with me because I'm about to share the most effective ways to leverage real estate for your retirement savings and why it might be a more solid option than other investment strategies. Real estate is often seen as a slow and steady way to grow wealth over time. But what many don't realize is that it can also generate consistent cash flow through rental income. If you're a retiree or planning for retirement, this could be the ideal way to offset living expenses. But not all properties are created equal. So let's talk about how you can get started in a way that maximizes your long-term returns. One option is investing in rental properties. Whether you're looking to buy a single-family home, multifamily property, or even commercial space, the goal is to create a reliable income stream. The beauty of this approach is that rental income can offer predictable monthly cash flow, and depending on the location, property values may appreciate over time, giving you a double benefit of income and growth. Now, a quick word of caution. Not all properties are ideal for retirees. You'll want to focus on markets with low vacancy rates, high demand, and where property values are on an upward trend. This helps ensure you're not stuck with a property that isn't paying for itself. However, before diving into real estate investments, there's a critical factor you need to consider: a gold IRA. You might be wondering how this fits in, and it's simple. Gold IRAs are an incredibly strong option to protect your wealth, especially when real estate market fluctuations hit. Real estate investments, while potentially profitable, do carry market risks that can significantly impact your retirement funds. Gold IRAs, on the other hand, act as a hedge against inflation and economic downturns. Thousands of American retirees are already using gold IRAs to protect their wealth from the kinds of risks that can devastate their savings. If you're serious about securing your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. You'll see how simple it is to protect what you've worked hard to build. Getting back to real estate, another popular strategy is house hacking. This involves buying a property where you live in one part and rent out the others. It's an excellent way to offset your mortgage payments and reduce the amount you need to take out of your retirement savings. For instance, a duplex or a triplex can provide rental income while allowing you to live in one of the units. This can make your investment much more affordable while giving you long-term equity. Of course, if you're not interested in becoming a landlord, there are alternatives like real estate investment trusts, REITs, which allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical property. REITs can provide dividends and potential capital appreciation, but it's important to remember that they still come with risks, some more so than gold IRAs, which is why many retirees prefer them. In fact, if you already have 100K or more in an IRA or 401K, or even 5M plus in savings, investing in a gold IRA could be one of the smartest moves you make. Unlike real estate, gold IRAs are not tied to the ups and downs of the market, and their value often rises when inflation is high or when the economy faces instability. Now, if you're thinking of using real estate for retirement savings, it's crucial to carefully consider the long-term benefits versus the risks. In my opinion, diversifying your investments into both real estate and gold IRAs can provide the best of both worlds. Real estate gives you potential income and growth, but a gold IRA gives you a stable, inflation-proof asset that holds its value even when markets fluctuate. To get the full picture of how to protect your wealth and make the right investment choices, especially if you're a retiree with 100K or more in savings, click the first link in the description. Learn why gold IRAs are the top choice for long-term protection and how you can start your own gold IRA strategy today. Don't let the risks of real estate or other investments eat into your retirement savings. Get the free guide and take control of your future. By diversifying your wealth into gold IRAs and real estate, you're setting yourself up for the kind of financial stability that will protect you through retirement and beyond. So take action now and start securing your wealth.